Welcome to Foliotek, the electronic portfolio system for the University of Detroit Mercy Education Department. This video covers the basics of your Foliotek account. The opening screen shows you your assessment portfolio. You will navigate through your portfolio using the navigation menu on the left side of the screen. This portfolio is set up using the 7 professional standards for Michigan teachers as sections. There is one section for each standard, and you will be required to upload documents in each section to demonstrate your proficiency. There are also sections containing forms to document your field experiences and student teaching experience. By clicking on one of the sections, you are taken to the elements, think of them as folders, where you will upload your work. We are going to take a look at Standard 1 as an example. Here we see 3 elements: Standard 1 artifacts, transfer student artifact, and reflection on Standard 1. Most of your work will go into the standard artifacts element. The transfer student artifact element is for students who completed work to support this standard at another institution. You are also required to write a reflection on your progress for each standard, and this will be loaded into the reflection element. There are specific documents that have been identified by your program to use in demonstrating your mastery of each standard. This list can be accessed by clicking the Suggested Artifacts to Demonstrate Competency link in the instructions for each standard. This chart lists each course you will take, the artifacts created in that course, and the standards those artifacts meet. The top portion of the list contains suggestions for elementary education majors. Those studying secondary education should scroll down to find suggestions for their courses. Once you have determined which artifacts support the standard you are working on, click the appropriate link to the element in which you will upload the documents. For this example, we will click on Standard 1 Artifacts. To upload your documents, click the Add File link. Here, you can upload a new file, add an existing file. This will upload a document from your files storage area that has been previously loaded into Foliotek. This is helpful, as it is possible that a file you use as evidence for one standard may also apply to another standard. You can also upload a link to an external file or website, or upload a new zipped website. Clicking Next will take us through the steps to finish this process. By clicking Add Files, we can search our computer for the file we wish to upload. Once we click OK, it is placed into the element for Standard 1 artifacts. Be sure to upload your standard artifacts and reflection for each of the 7 standards. In the Field Experiences section, you will find a list of courses in which you participate in a field experience. For each course you take, you will need to complete the form. Notice some forms will be filled out by both elementary and secondary majors. Others are marked to be filled out by elementary or secondary only. In the Student Teaching Experience section, you will find forms that will be filled out by your cooperating teacher and college supervisor during your experience. You will also find an element for you to upload your reflective essay about your student teaching experience. One other link that is important for you to view is the Resources link. This gives you quick access to any of the resource documents used in the portfolio. Simply click on any link to view that resource. If you need help with your account at any time, please check out our Context-Specific Help menu in the top right corner. It will provide you with step-by-step instructions for various functions in your account. If you need additional assistance, you can send us your question by clicking on this link, or contact our support line at 1-888-365-4639 and select option 2 for technical support. Our support team is available Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Central Time. This concludes the assessment video for students pursuing a degree in education at the University of Detroit, Mercy.